Hello and welcome. Today we will be going through some of the highlights of Syncplicity for Mac 6.1. This version of Syncplicity for Mac includes enhancements that improve and streamline activities like sharing files, Office 365 online editing, and simplified use of native and cloud folders. First, we'll take a look at native folder sharing. With this, users have the ability to share folders and view and manage shared folder participants natively from their desktop rather than being routed to Syncplicity on the web. Simply right-click on the folder to share, view, and manage. In situations that require quick edits or co-authoring of an Office document, users can right-click on the file and select Open in Office Online. Your default web browser will open and create a tab where you can begin editing your document. With this new release, all newly created folders initiated from the desktop will be sync drive folders. Users will not need to specify that they would like the folder to be a cloud folder. It will be automatic. Users simply need to go to their Syncplicity folder from their desktop to see all their folders, including subfolders, even those that are shared by others. Additionally, with the Mac 6.1 release, users will be notified when a sync drive folder is shared with them. With Syncplicity, IT can control bandwidth utilized by Syncplicity for the company networks based on various Office locations. With Syncplicity for Mac, users can now control the bandwidth settings for non-company networks, like when they are working remote or on a public network, and on metered networks like an airplane or personal Wi-Fi hotspot devices. And users also have the ability to simply pause the synchronization altogether. This version of Syncplicity for Mac is available now by clicking Check for Updates from your Syncplicity on your Mac toolbar, or by clicking the Install tab on your Syncplicity web account. More information on Syncplicity releases can be found on our documentation site linked below.